Hey guys, I'm Gabriel. I'm traveling to every country in this world, and right now I'm in the United States. I'm in Miami. This is my old apartment. The owner's letting me stay a couple days since it's empty anyways. And I had this beautiful view over the intercoastal waterway. I was in New York for like a week, but I didn't really film anything. Isn't this hilarious? Look at him. Aren't you a good boy? I'm now inside the Trump Tower in New York City, and I voted for him to be the peace president, to finally get America away from all of this bullshit and war. And today, this evening, will be the day that Trump announces that America is going to war with Iran. And I'm not happy about this. I'm on Governor's Island in New York City. Behind me is Manhattan. And here's the Statue of Liberty. It's pretty hazy today, so you can't really see it that clearly. I've already been here for 4 days. I barely recorded anything, and today is the first day we have a nice blue sky. Manhattan is impressive. This is my second time in New York, and I'm so amazed by all of the buildings and structures and just how much is happening here. The ferry back is right here. The ticket was $5. I'm not sure if that's normal, but no one ever checked my ticket. Not coming here, not going back. Behind me is Trinity Church. It's right on the opposite side of Wall Street, which I'm walking on right now. And right here next to it, the New York Stock Exchange. This is called Little Island. From above it looks like a piece of real estate, like everything else. But it's actually an island that's completely man-made. So it's sitting on all of these big concrete pillars. And it's not just another piece of green area inside of the city of New York, but also there's an amphitheater here.
But yeah, I mean, I like just anyone I approach or call, you can grab pick up from the schedule.
Here in Miami a couple days, and I'm packing everything I need for my upcoming South America trip. I'm going to El Salvador this weekend. I have like a dozen videos up from my travels around Europe, and I learned a lot on what I can or should take and what is way too heavy and I won't use. So here's my new packing inventory. I still feel like it's way too much, but I know that I'm gonna need every single item of this. Aside from my MacBook, which is rendering right now, I have my 2 phones, a Kindle reader, flashlight, headlamp, pocket knife, a little tripod. This is an Insta360, and a GoPro, sunglasses, a cap, my Remulia cap with all of the pins I'm collecting from each country. Diving mask, I didn't take it to Europe, but I missed it, and I'm definitely using it in South America. This is just a couple like tech things, GoPro mounts, AirPods, earplugs. Then I have 2 pairs of long pants. This is for traveling whenever I fly. Shorts, pajama pants, underwear. I'm taking this pair of light boots and hiking shoes, which I just purchased here in Miami. Socks, shirts, tank tops, a rain jacket, and 2 sweaters. My drone bag, so I'm putting all my tech in here and all my clothing in here. This is a waterproof bag, and this, which is I'm which I didn't take to Europe, but I'm going to use it in South America, is a mosquito-proof hammock and a sleeping bag. It is a lot of things, but I know if I don't take these things, I'm gonna miss them. Also my new Apple Watch. I'm gonna pack this up right now and you will see how it easily fits in the 2 backpacks, and it's not even that heavy. And all of this is filmed with the DJI Pocket 3, of course. Didn't even take 10 minutes to pack. This I will wear on the day I fly, so I don't have to put it in here. In here I'm only missing the MacBook and my toiletries. So I do actually have plenty of space, and it's not really heavy. It is just a lot of volume if we include this sleeping bag here. I can easily walk with this. This is maybe a total of 15 kilograms max. So we're good to go. The plan is I'm going to El Salvador for 2 weeks, then to Peru for 21 days, to Ecuador for 10 days, and to the Galapagos Islands for another 10 days. And then I'm coming here to Miami for 2 or 3 weeks for a short break. I'm gonna do some work here with the company I used to work with, which is the one with the Airbnbs. And then I'm going to Asia. Actually, I'm going to French Polynesia first, then to New Zealand and Australia, and then to the Philippines. But for now, I'm in Florida for another 2 days. I'm doing some editing, as you guys saw, and I might even catch some chameleons tonight, which I'm gonna put at the end of this video if I do so. I'm now looking for chameleons, and for the first time ever here in Florida, I found like an actual freshly born baby. And not just one, there's one right here. It's the size of a fingernail. It's so small. Another one hiding here. They're so tiny. So that means there have to be a bunch more in this area because they can lay up to 80 eggs. And this is not too far away, but this is a female right here. So it could be their mom. This is about as big as they get for the females, and you can see it's the size of my hand. It's not even flying away. That's a fully grown, oh, don't bite me, male. He's not happy. We just came across this one here on this small mango tree, and they're so hard to find usually during the day, so it's more luck. One last barbecue in Florida. They're nice ribeye steaks which are locally butchered. Okay, thank you. And this is some sort of root which we bought on the side of the road. I boiled it with some salt and butter, and I'm gonna put it on the barbecue as well.